We are going to build a basic level in Enigmo Deluxe using the Enigmo level editor that ships with the game. If you have purchased the game, then you have this level editor. If you have not purchased the game, I suggest going to EnigmoDeluxe.com and purchasing the game so you can follow along. Okay, from the main menu, we will go to Edit Custom Game. We will create a new game. And it's going to ask us where we want to save it, and it'll save as Enigmo Custom Game. We can change that if we want, but for now we're just going to keep it like that. You're going to notice here, this is just like the game. And to the right are all my pieces that are solid, that are not user pieces, but level pieces. And I just dragged out a panel here. I'm just going to make a basic skeleton, and this is just drag and drop. That's all this is. And you're going to notice this big circle. This tells you which piece is selected and also gives you some handles to rotate. It basically will rotate it on a grid-like structure at 90 degrees. So we just rotated this at 90 degrees. And it snaps in pretty easy to the different parts. There is no collision detection between these parts in the level editor. So you can go flush pretty easy by, you can actually make a piece go inside a piece like that right there. I can make it good and flush, make sure no liquid can get through. That's very important in Enigmo, obviously, because of the gameplay. So I'm going to bring in another piece. I'm going to rotate, and it's just a drag and drop. And to rotate, I obviously just grab a handle and turn. Put in another piece here for the floor. I'm going to grab one more piece, and yep, that's pretty easy. Going to snap that in. Just drag and drop. This is just a basic skeleton I'm creating. It's just a basic skeleton. Okay, now I'm going to grab the dispenser, and the liquid dispenser will start dispensing liquid the second you select it. And the reason being is because you want to be able to see what's going to happen to the liquid on your level as is. Now notice I'm going ahead and I'm grabbing a piece, a player piece here that you would use to solve the puzzle with. This is important because this is really how you want to build levels. You want to use pieces that the player is going to use to dictate where you're going to put things, such as the container. That way you can choose the solution to build the level as opposed to building the level and then finding the solution yourself. Now I'm going to click into the bonus rectangle up here. If I click into that I can actually set the amount of bonus points that are given if they finish the level fast. So this, I'm going to click Save Level. Once I've done that, this is the basic level. So now we're going to test our level. We want to go play it, see how it's going to be like for other players. So we're going to get out of here. We want to go back to the main menu. And we are going to go up and choose Play Game. We're going to choose to play a custom game. And it's going to bring up this dialog to open up our saved level. So we're going to go down and we're going to find this .egm file, Enigmo custom game.egm. That's what we saved it as. And Enigmo outputs .egm files when you save a game, just so you can remember that. Now you're going to notice when I open it, I'm playing now, it zoomed in, zooming out now, and that's just like when you play the game with one of the official levels. The game takes care of that. You're going to notice over here on the left side that I only have one piece. It only gave me one piece, and that's because when I was editing the level, I only left this piece in the game. So it actually picks up what games are being used, what pieces are being used, and keeps that in for you whenever you actually execute the game as a player. And you can throw some extra pieces in there if you want. And you're going to notice I'm filling up now. Down here, once again, the game takes care of it. Remember the bonus points I set, so I finished the game pretty fast. It's going to give me that bonus points, and I win. Now this is how you create and play a basic level. Visit EnigmoDeluxe.com where you can view more videos and submit your custom levels for other players to download and play. Most importantly, have fun building and playing with Enigmo Deluxe.